Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to transfer funds from your Schwab Investor Checking account to an external bank account. Open the website, then log in with your login ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click the option that says Transfer and Payments. On the Transfers and Payments page, you will see several options. To transfer funds, you could either choose online transfers or send a wire. In this video, I selected online transfers. Now, select the From and To accounts. The From account must be your investor checking account, and the To account is an external account. However, if you haven't added an external account yet, click on Add External Account. Then follow the on-screen instructions and prompts on how to add. After that, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Then click on Continue. Now, review the transfer details. Also, read the terms and conditions. After that, click on the tick box beside I agree. Then click on Submit. And now you will see a message saying that your transfer request was submitted. That's how you transfer funds from your Schwab Investor Checking account to an external bank account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.